Okay. Now we're going to add some rooms. RM is the shortcut. Now, when we say rooms, we're actually trying to define an area. Okay, room will be an area with the different parameters like volume. You can have there the room size. Okay. Now, first thing you want to do is go around and make sure that you are able to, right, like this one here, create a room that is separated from the rest of the areas. In this case, there's this area here that makes the definition of the room bleed out of that space. And maybe you want to add so let me cancel here, a room separator. So what this does is that even if the area is an open space, but you want two areas defined differently, you can do so by adding a room separator. So maybe my room separator is from here to there. If I do that and go back to my room, architecture, room, RM is the shortcut, then this now becomes a separate room. That room separator line will not print. You can hide it if you want, otherwise it will not print. Okay, so likewise for the hallway, right? Notice that it's bleeding out from the lobby to that hallway. So you might want to, let me cancel out, add a room separator here. Okay. So add a room separator so that I can now add here and define this area as a separate room. Now, once you have done that, you are now ready to add your room. Now, rooms will come with the room tag. So the room is the X that defines that area, and then you see here at the center, that's the room tag. Now, if I place it here, you want to make sure that you already know the room sequence or room numbering sequence. So I can place here, let's say the first room, there's number 1. If this is the first floor, maybe this will be room, so click again, 101. Now, like your grids, when you're adding your grids, the next number will be in that sequence. So that will be 102. So architecture, room. So this would be my 102. Do I go clockwise or counterclockwise, or do I go clockwise? Yes. Yes. So don't follow what I'm doing. Do the right thing in your project. Okay, I'm just giving a lecture. Okay, so I'm not sure what rooms you have actually provided for, but notice here that becomes room 102, right? Then 103, and then there's that blue dashed line, so you can easily align those numbers or labels. Okay, so you can go around. You don't want to be placing rooms randomly, right? You want them to be in an order. Okay, so right there, and you want them aligned as much as possible. Now, of course, if there's a table there, then you don't need to place it in the same location. Okay, that's why you want to add the furniture first before the room label, so you know exactly where you can place that room label and it's not obstructing or overlapping your furniture. Okay. So you want to do the same to your second floor. Okay, so add a room. Now you want to start, if this is your elevator, normally you want to start numbering based on that exit. So the customer or occupant will go out here from the elevator, let's say, or maybe it should be here since that's the toilet. So it goes out here, and this will be my room 201. Okay, so I'll just place it here. Cancel first and name this 201. Once I've done that, then I can go back and number my rooms. Again, placing the furniture is best so that when you add the room tag, you're not going to overlap the room tag and the furniture. You need to stop first, and like in your grid, you have to stop the command, place the first one, and then change this to 201. Yep. Yeah, in residential, do it as you would do it in a residential. No, no, no. Nope.